Hi guys, it's another video from Hass with the Ford Focus. Today we're going to be basically changing the air filter, which is just there. We've got the 7mm connected to this, nicely tall one, so you can actually get into the back one, which is just down here. And there's one there, and there. Very simple job, should take about 5 minutes. I was going to show you the steps. So this is the part for the Mark III Ford Focus. This is the part. We're going to take that bit out first and then basically just swap it over. We'll take a little look at it as well actually. It's been in there I think for about 12,000 miles. So once you've undone it, it's a little bit tight, so just kind of remove it. Once you have, kind of just loosen up each edge, is kind of what I do. And then yeah, basically it should just lift up. And there we have the old filter. Doesn't actually look too bad, but we're definitely going to put a new one in today. So here is the new Bosch one. That's the old MAN filter. That's the OEM one's gone for a Bosch one this time. I'm going to fit that kind of just in there. Kind of connects onto a little kind of like a circular hoop just there. It also kind of slides into like a little kind of looks like a U angle there, so let's put this in just in here. Nice, just like this. Then we just wedge it in. Okay, so just basically a case of just making sure it is secure. It should be kind of wedged as far as you can, kind of down there, and also it just comes over slightly from that bit, and that's actually where this U-bend here kind of hooks on to the top of it. So yeah, you might start to think, well, if you first time you do this, that actually that's out of line and it probably should be in the line, but don't worry, that is actually normal. So just so you're aware, if it starts to look like this on the other side, so where this doesn't meet properly, then you haven't quite put it in correctly. So I would redo that and then make sure that it's absolutely kind of flush and perfect in that area there. Okay, so once the lid's on, it usually looks like this, and yeah, it kind of looks like that from the other side as well. Okay, so the air filter is fitted. I've also done a few miles on it as well, just to kind of check that everything's as it should be. So yeah, that is the air filter change done. Obviously don't forget to check out more videos coming from us. We'll have more on the A4, the BMW, and also more on my Focus as well in the coming weeks and months. So don't forget to subscribe, stay up to date with all the latest. Cheers.